This is ridiculous. Oh boy, oh boy. It's April 15th. April 15th. Here in Minnesota, we're dealing with, well, right now we've got over a foot of snow. And it's drifting and blowing. And it's crazy. Look at this insanity. All these snow drifts. Look at this one behind the shed. That's 3 feet deep. That's nuts. Oh my cow. Stop snowing. It needs to stop snowing. This is nuts. So, baseball, softball season started about 3 weeks ago at the school I work at. We've had a lot of indoor practices, only indoor practices. That's hasn't been too fun. Look at this ridiculous snow. Look at that. Jeez, and they've got more down in the cities, down an hour away south of here. I'm in the St. Cloud, central Minnesota area. And yeah. Look at this stuff. Unbelievable. Snow blowing all over the place. It's been snowing for 36 hours straight, has not stopped. It's just the light snow, heavy snow, light snow, heavy snow. Right now it's kind of in between. I've actually still got my Christmas lights on my trees because it hasn't melted yet, so I haven't been able to take them off. But I decided to turn them on, using a little reverse psychology on old Mother Nature, but she ain't getting it. This looks a lot more like Christmas than it is springtime. So right now I'm gonna make my second round of plowing, so my neighbors over there across the street from me can get out and about if they ever dare venture out in this total whiteout snowmageddon. It's nuts. But I tell ya, this is stupid weather. Just dumb. Well, we're gonna plow. I'll take you along. And I don't know. Sick of winter. Absolutely sick and tired of it. There we go. hope you guys enjoyed that more than I did. I'd rather be working on my lawn and garden right now instead of plowing snow in the middle of April. So, oh, it is what it is, I guess. What are you going to do about it? And more snow is coming. Hopefully this doesn't amount to too much. It's just warm enough that the sun is melting the snow on the pavement as long as you can keep it off of there. But I don't know. It needs to stop. That front mount snowblower is fantastic. Absolutely awesome. I have no complaints at all. If you're thinking about getting a front mount snowblower, you gotta get one, and get a hydraulic chute there. You really don't need a hydraulic or an electric deflector. You know, you're gonna find, well, it kind of depends on your application too. Everyone's different, but you're gonna find a preference that works. You know, not once today did I have to get off the tractor and move that, but you know, if it's real windy, I guess sometimes I do. But you know, I don't know what they charge for a deflector, but I'm sure it's not cheap. You might want to make your own. But so far, I've been able to get away without one, and I just really don't feel like I need one. But absolutely, the hydraulic turning thing, I use it constantly. You gotta be able to keep the snow out of your face, and that's one way to do it, is be able to turn it real quick. You know, and it works with the FEL. You go right, you go left. You've seen me on the tractor how that works. So, all right, guys, this has got to be. It's got to be. I really hope this is my last snow plowing vid of the year, or of the season, I should say. So, hopefully this stuff will melt. Okay. Keep on tractoring, you guys. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Like it. And have a good one. Happy spring. God bless.